Hello guys, review HMD Skyline version 12GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. Device in the black color. And in completion we have only cable Type-C to Type-C. Yes, Type-C to Type-C cable we have in completion. Okay. On this side power button and warm buttons. On the back side triple camera. On this side power button and warm buttons. Smart key. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM card. Okay, one moment please. Device load. Okay, open settings and look information about device. We have 14 Android, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 CPU, battery 4600 mAh, model TA1600. Okay, look results, Geekbench results, single core score and multi-core score, GPU test results, look Antutu benchmark. Okay, close this. And PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level on this device. Graphics high, very high graphic level we have on this game. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.